Okay. Today I will discuss how to use the theme of Smarter About Cyber in WordPress. So this is the whole website appearance. To access the back end, you must type in your address bar wp admin. The login details shall be given by the developer. So this is the back end of the website. To view the website, you must click hover on Smarter About Cyber, then visit site. Here you can see the changes that you have made on the back end panel. Here are the main areas of the backend. We will be using just the pages menu. So let's click pages. So here you can see the list of pages which we can add, edit, or delete. So as you can see, there are three main menus: the all about cyber, cyber shield for positions, and additional info and resources. So the home isn't shown as coded by the developer. So there are only three main menus. The the pages that have the dash line under this are the sub pages or the pages for each main page. So this is the home page. To view the contents of the home page, you must hover over the page title, then click edit. So here is the contents of the home page. As you can see, it is already styled upon coding. To add to add the contents like the button, you should use the syntax next syntax. We use the add equals 1 to skip one pages. I'll discuss the purpose of the add syntax in the next shortcode. Next is the sidebar. This is the syntax for the sidebar. The sidebar is placed on the left side of each pages. To add contents to the sidebar, you must type sidebar, then just as shown here. Then press update on each changes that you make. So we'll go and edit more pages and press all pages. So we want to, for example, we want to edit the page 3 of All About Cyber. We'll click on edit. So we'll go to the page 3. So here's the page th page 3. So here are the syntax or the CSS styles that you can use for each pages, for all the pages. To achieve this orange bold text or the heading text, you must put it under the heading 2 format. For example, I'll type header 2 format, then highlight, then click heading 2. Remember to click update on each changes that you make. Then press F5 or refresh the page. So there, it's under the orange bold format. To achieve this bold text, just highlight some fonts, for example this part, and press this button, the bold button, or just press Ctrl V and update. Let's go to the tab, then press F5. There, it is in bold face format. And let's go back a previous page, the page 2. As you can see, there is a footer text. The footer text can be achieved by using the pre-formatted format. So let's go back to the list of pages. Click all pages. Then we'll edit the page 2 of All About Cyber. Click edit. There. So I'll delete this part. Then type in a pre-formatted area. Then highlight this. Then select the pre-formatted under the drop down and update. Go back to the next tab, hit refresh. See, there you go. Now the next syntax is the page numbers. Here's your current page, and this is the total number of pages. To to show that syntax, you must add this syntax, the show page syntax. Then to add this button, the back and next button, you must just add this syntax, back and next. So it's show page to add the current page number and the total pages, then back to go back one page behind, then next to go to the next page. These pages are in order as what you can see in the list of pages. So I'll go to the list to explain. For example, in page 2 of 5, the function of the next button will go to the page 3 and the back to the page 1. So here is page 2, back button will go to the page 1 and the next button will go to the page 3. But there is additional syntax for this back and next, and that is the use of the add equals to the number of pages that you will skip. For example, we'll go to the home page. As you can see, the next button, the next short code has the syntax add equals 1. It means it will skip one page. So let's go back to the list of pages. So here's the home. It will skip the page of all about cyber, then skip to page 1. Why? Because these main pages, the all about cyber, cyber shield for positions, and additional info and resources are all blank pages just to hold all of these sub pages, the page 1, page 2, etc. So we will use this add equals 1. Same thing applies to the back page. If we use back add equals 1, it will skip one page behind. For example, let's go to the page 1. So let's go back to page 1. So here is the page 1. As you can see, the page 1 will go to the home page. So here is the page 1. You can see there is a back add equals 1. It means it will go back one page of the page 1, for example. So here, the page 1 will not go back to the all about cyber page. Instead, it will go to the home page because this is just a blank page. See? Next. Um, what if you want to add an image or a text in this gray part here, or what we call sidebar? So let's go back to page 1. Then we will add this syntax called the sidebar syntax. So this is the syntax. This is the open and close syntax. So in between them is your contents. For example, I'll put some sidebar here. So that is only text. Let's update. So let's go to the next tab where our current website is. So this is the page 1 of all about cyber. So we'll hit refresh. So there. You can put the same styling design on this main content, same to the sidebar. If you want to put some image here, we'll use the media, the add media button. For example, let's delete this text there. Then press add media. Make sure your wait, skip here. Make sure your blinking cursor is between the opening and close syntax. Oops. And click add media. Then you can upload your own image or select from the recently uploaded images. So let's upload. Select file. So let's just select a sample image. So let's go to pictures. Come on. So let's choose this. Okay. Then after uploading, you must make sure that you will change this link to none, then full size, and insert into page. So we'll wait the image to show. Oops. There. Then update. Okay. Once updated, we'll hit refresh here. Oops. Let's refresh again. Okay, and refresh. So there you go. As you can see, the image is quite a bit large, so it doesn't fit well. So I advise that you pre-format your image to this size. So the width of this sidebar is under 600 pixels and the height is 600 also, just to make sure that your image can be contained inside the sidebar. There you go. Now what if we want to insert a new page under the all about cyber? So let's click this add new, click. So what if we want to add a new page, for example page 6? So wait, let's go back to the list of pages. So first, on the right hand side you can see the page attributes. Then under the parent, let's click all about cyber. This means that this page will go under the all about cyber. Next, we must remember on what page we will insert this page. So on the list here, the last page is page 5, so this will be page 6. So we must remember that these are ordered by a title or in numerical order. So add page 6, then we'll add some random contents just to test. Then hit okay, also the next and back syntax and the show page syntax. So let's go back. As you can see, the page 6 will go between page 5 of all about cyber and the main page cyber shield for positions. Now this page cyber shield for positions is just a blank page, so we need to skip this page and go over to page 1. So we will put another syntax in the add button, add equals 1, which means we will skip cyber for positions and go on to page 1. So we just put a footer on text, footer, highlight it and select free formatted, then publish. So if you want to see the results, you can just click the view page button here. So let's hold on the control button, then click this view page. So here you go. We are on the sixth page and there are total of 6 pages. So, as you can see, the back button will go to the should go to the page 5 there, and let's go back again to page 6, the one that we created. Oops. So the next page should redirect us to the first page of Cyber Shield for positions. So let's click next. There. This is the first page of Cyber Shield for positions. Now, what if we want to remove this page? We'll go back here to the list of pages. Oops. It's pages. So this is our page 6. Then if you want to remove this, just press the trash. If you accidentally remove any of these pages, you can still recover them and it will be shown up here, this part. There, you have trash the page 6 of All About Cyber. Be reminded that you shouldn't remove any of the main pages because it will make the whole website crash. So that's all for this tutorial for this Smarter About Cyber theme for WordPress. Should you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to email me at melos.aliado@gmail.com or just contact Graham, Sir Graham. Thanks and goodbye.